Hello, my name's Kumid Gandhi, and here at the Cooking Academy we sell a number of multi-award winning spice blends. One of the best-selling spice blends is this garlic and black pepper. It can be used with a number of different types of ingredients such as fish, chicken or tofu or vegetables. Today I'm going to show you how to use it using some salmon. So I'm going to start by putting the liquids in the bowl first. So the spice blend needs a tablespoon of oil, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a tablespoon of the spice blend, and just a little pinch of the coriander. So I'll start with the oil in the first place. So I'm just using regular rapeseed oil. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of lemon, so squeeze. I'm using fresh, but by all means using bottled lemon juice is absolutely fine. I'm then going to add a 3-finger pinch of coriander, and that's just fresh coriander that I've just chopped up just now. Mix this together, and then I'm going to add a tablespoon of the spice blend. So as you can see in the oil and the lemon juice, the spice blend has been absorbed up very quickly. And it's not necessary to have lots and lots of marinade. I've got 2 pieces of salmon here, and of course you can use any type of fish. It's not necessary for it to be bathing in marinade. You literally want to coat it, and I've taken the skin off the fish. So I've got 2 pieces, and I'm literally just going to soak it up, cover the fish, be sure to turn it around in the marinade. And again, you could use this straight away, or you could allow it to sit for half an hour, or even a couple of hours if you've got the time, and let it just soak up in the blend. And literally that is ready to be placed on your oven tray or your frying pan. So my recommendation is that this can be cooked either in the oven. If you've preheated the oven to 170 degrees, then it's going to be 12 minutes. If it's in a pan, then on a very low heat, and again it's going to take about 12 to 15 minutes, and you will just need to turn it over, whereas if it goes in the oven it doesn't need to. And then again under a hot grill, I would say it takes about 10 minutes under a hot grill. And again, no need to turn it over if it's under a hot grill. On a barbecue, again, you could put it either in some foil or some baking parchment, or you could just put it on a hot plate and then put it under the barbecue. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and do come and visit our channel again.